Yes, sir.
A few sessions, we have understood clearly how to measure the internet bandwidth. If anybody still has a question, please let me know. We have to get this right. Otherwise, you will have challenges again and again. Either you will have challenges or your students will have challenges. So you should know clearly how much bandwidth you are facing, you are having, so that if the students or if the teachers complain that your voice is not clear or you are not able to share your video, then quickly you can just type this command https://fast.com, or if you just type fast.com, it will come because it's a very popular tool and Google will immediately find out. So it will tell you the bandwidth. So minimum bandwidth required is 8 Mbps. If it is less than that, not that it will not work, it will work, but it will be patchy. Your voice, sometimes it will be clear, sometimes it will break. So the experience will not be good. So to have a good online experience, we recommend bandwidth which is slightly more than 8 Mbps, 10 Mbps is more. Both BSNL and Jio or Airtel in Karnataka, they are giving more than 10 Mbps most of the places. So if you feel the bandwidth is less in your home, that is mostly because you are inside your concrete, basically concrete walls, or in a concreted house, or you are bit far away from the tower. So one solution is move to another room or just step closer to outside your house so that the bandwidth is better. Okay, so that is the only suggestion. Otherwise, if you have possibility, somebody has your friends or your some of your family members has different service provider, you can just check with that service provider, either BSNL or Jio or Airtel. One of them you try, and you can try this fast.com even on your mobile also, so that you will clearly find out what is the speed. So any question, this we will not be covering any longer going ahead. If you don't get this right, then you cannot be impactful in your online classes. Either attending or taking the session, internet bandwidth minimum 8 to 10 Mbps is required, both download as well as upload. Any questions? Shiv Prasad, you are clear, right? Fast.com, how to run?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how much speed you are getting on your mobile now? Can you just try and tell me?
Okay, I will tell you, sir.
Yeah. Kausar and Geeta madam, you are clear, right?
.7 KB in my phone, sir, Android phone.
Is it KB or Mbps?
KB.
KB, yeah, KB is very less. It is less than 1 Mbps.
Okay.
So, yeah, for voice it's okay. If you want to share anything, then you will have trouble.
Okay, sir.
Duty, we don't need the video. You can mute the video because it will consume a lot of bandwidth.
Sorry, sir.
No problem. So, yeah, hope everybody is clear. So let
Sir,
me.
I have 7 Mbps, sir.
Very good. Yeah, 7 Mbps is very good. You can even share your screen and do all those things. So that's good. So that's in Gulbarga, right?
Yes, sir. Chincholi, sir.
Oh, very good. Chincholi is how far from Gulbarga?
85 kilometers, sir.
Oh, very good. Good to see the internet coverage in the remote places.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how many students have access to internet and smartphone in your class?
No, sir. Nobody having, sir, smartphone, sir.
Then,
Only,
then how are you engaging with the students through Vidyagama? Is it?
sir, basically, I am visiting their places, sir.
Places means their houses.
How, sir?
ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಮ್ದು 37 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಸರ್.
But 37 students, then you cannot go to all 37 house, right?
ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಸ್ಪಾಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು 15 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ 10 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹಾಂ,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸರಿ, ದೆನ್ now let's just revisit how to create videos using mobile phone. So this is where even Shiv Prasad, you wanted some suggestions on how to mix augmented reality videos, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then I also demonstrated how to use PowerPoint, especially on the new features in Office 365. Okay, let's first go through how to create videos in mobile phone. Okay,
ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಈಗ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ 7 ಇದ್ದಿಗೆ ಆಫೀಸ್ 10 ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್?
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಹಾಕೋಬೋದಾ?
ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ 7 ಇಂದ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಸೂನ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ 7. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ, ಈವನ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಐ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡ್ you upgrade to Windows 10 as early as possible.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, anyway, it's left to you, but currently it will continue to work. I have seen a lot of teachers using Windows 7. Okay, because your requirement for application is not that much. But if there is any possibility, I recommend you to upgrade to Windows 10.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Because most of the application now, they support only the latest version. Because I have seen even PowerPoint, sometimes audio and video, it gives a lot of challenges. Sometimes it will play, sometimes it will not play. Then we will not be able to fix it on Windows 7 because it's a known problem.
Right, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Let me just play some of the videos which teachers have created. So then you can ask questions. Then either I will answer or I will get the teachers. Anyway, all the teachers are here, so they will answer. One second. Let me just bring my speaker in front. Let me just share my screen. Okay, now let me show. Let me just play one of the videos which was forwarded by one of the through WhatsApp. This is what's happening in Kerala. Just on a lighter note, have you seen this happening in your online classes?
Yes, sir.
Who attends on behalf of you, Diti? Is it your mom or your grandmom?
No, sir. I attend. The few times I won't listen and they tell the questions really fast. So my mom sits next to me to write all the questions.
Okay. So that's good or bad?
That's actually bad.
Okay. I hope you are enjoying your online classes once in a while.
Yes.
Okay.
Because it's bad for the adults to sit in the children's place. Is the online classes are for the children and it's for their good. So I shouldn't sit in behalf of them.
Okay. So now let's look at some interesting video. So let's see how this goes.
Battery 60%.
Shiv Prasad, are you able to see the video? At least I have not yet started playing, but you can see one teacher standing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
An elephant appears next to a teacher.
1, 2, 3.
The Moorkanaad AAMAP school is experimenting with augmented reality during their virtual classes. This is the LKG class of the school. It's not just elephants. In class 6, a Hindi teacher stands next to a cow as she explains what a guide is. For class 5 students of social sciences, an artificially created solar system revolves in the classroom. Shyam, a teacher at the school, is behind this new development. Speaker P. Shivaramakrishnan and film director Lal Jose have appreciated the school for its efforts.
ഓഗ്മെന്റ് റിയാലിറ്റി സിസ്റ്റം ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ വളരെ ഗംഭീരമായിരുന്നു.
Yeah. Dyuti, how was the video?
It was good.
Does your teacher show such videos in your online class?
No.
Can you ask her to show?
Sure.
It's useful, right?
Yes.
You can.
And it's also very attractive.
Yeah, very attractive, and it makes it more interesting.
Yes.
What was the concept they mentioned in the video?
They said that a school in Kerala are showing graphics in the online class.
No, they use one word, no? Did they use some virtual reality or something sounding like that? What was that?
In the virtual session?
Was it augmented reality?
Sorry?
They use the word augmented reality, right?
Yes.
So augmented means what? It is not real, right? Elephant did not come really, right? It was the image of the elephant.
Yes.
So, and it is not the video of the elephant. It was computer generated image.
Yes. Yes.
So that means we are augmenting the video.
Yes.
So that's why it's called augmented reality. It looks real because it was moving, it was making sound like original elephant.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now let me speak to the teachers. Shiva Prasad, is this the one you wanted to use in your classroom also?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you want to know how to get these elephants next to you.
Yes, sir.
Do you want it to bring it next to you, or is it okay if it is just playing, basically moving around in a forest?
Next to us, sir.
Okay. Anyway, one of the teachers has created in her video. Let me just play that video, and then we can ask Geeta madam how did she went about creating it. Let me just play the video first. So Shiva Prasad, can you see the video? Now there is a giraffe standing there.
Yes, sir. I'm seeing, sir.
Yeah, let me just see this.
Battery 60%.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಿರಾಫೆ ವರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಸಹ ಅತಿ ಸಂತಾನ ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಿರಾಫೆಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ಇವುಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿರಾಫೆಗಳಿಗೂ ಉದ್ದ ಕಾಲು ಉದ್ದ ಗೋಣು ಇರುವುದರಿಂದ ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಒಂಟೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕುದುರೆಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಗಿಂತ ತೀಕ್ಷ್ಣವಾಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಜಿರಾಫೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉದ್ದ ಕಾಲು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಉದ್ದ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾಲು ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉದ್ದವೇ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜಿರಾಫೆಗಳು ಬದುಕಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗಿಡ್ಡದಾದ ಕಾಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಗಿಡ್ಡದಾದ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವುಗಳು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಪರಂಪರೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
So this is the pure augmented reality. Now let me show how this teacher has creatively mixed with the regular two-dimensional video. That's another one. Let me just bring that up. Yeah, Geeta madam, are you able to see both of your videos now?
It's visible, sir. Both are visible.
Okay. Now I will play the another video, which is 2-dimensional regular video.
ನನ್ನ ಪುಟಾಣಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ
Battery,
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
60%.
7ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪಾಠದ 8ನೇ ಸೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಪಾಠ 4 ಪರಿಸರ ಸಮತೋಲನ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಪರಿಸರ ಸಮತೋಲನ ಪಾಠವನ್ನು ಬರೆದಂತಹ ಲೇಖಕರ ಪರಿಚಯವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇರವು ಸದಾಶಯವಾಗಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಇಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯನ್ನೇ ಅವಲಂಬಿಸಿ.
So this is a regular video where you are seeing a forest and yeah, there are some birds and animals. Okay, let me just play this and I'll fast forward.
ಪ್ರಾಕೃತಿಕ ಪರಿಸರ ಹಾಗೂ ಜೀವ ಪರಿಸರದ ನಡುವೆ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ಕೋ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲೇ.
Now this is the augmented reality. Okay, now let's see how it shifts from 2 dimensions from the original video to here.
ತುಂಬಾ ಆಹಾರ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಭೂಮಂಡಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಜನಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಜೀವಿಗೂ ಸಹ ತನ್ನದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಸಂತಾನ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಅವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿ ಆದರೆ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಜೀವಿಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಬದುಕಿ ಉಳಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕಿ ಉಳಿತವೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಬದುಕಿ ಉಳಿತವೆ? ಬದುಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಜೀವಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಹೋರಾಟವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತವೋ ಅವುಗಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬದುಕಿ ಉಳಿತವೆ. ಯಾವ ಹೋರಾಟವನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ವೋ, ಹೆದರಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ತವೋ ಅವುಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ? ನಾಶವನ್ನ ಹೊಂದುತ್ತವೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಯು ತನ್ನ ವಂಶಜರು ಬಾಳಬೇಕೆಂದು ಹೆಚ್ಚೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂತಾನ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ತವೆ. ಹೀಗೆ.
So Shiv Prasad, is this the way you also want to use it in your class?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
So now you can ask any question how to create this.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಈಗ ನಾವೇನೋ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಇದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಇದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ. ಇದಾದ ನಂತರ ಈ ಆಗ್ಮೆಂಟೆಡ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡೋದಲ್ಗೆ?
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೀತಾ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಆಲ್ ದ 3 ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಗೀತಾ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಹಿಯರ್ ಮಿ?
Yes sir, I can hear.
Yeah, just let me play this video then so that your explanation can be minimal. Hold on.
Okay sir.
Battery, 60%.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಆಪ್ ಹೆಸರು ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇದು 3D ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಆಗ್ಮೆಂಟೆಡ್ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಲಿ ನಾವಿದನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನಮಗೆ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ಬಳಕೆ ಆಗೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂತಹ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದೆ. ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ, 3D ವ್ಯೂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 3D ವ್ಯೂ. ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು
ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ 3D ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು 3D ವ್ಯೂ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಈಗ ಇದು ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಎ ಆರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ.
ಹಾಂ, ಅದು ಯಾರು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆವಾಗ ಅದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಪ್ಲೇ ದಿಸ್.
ಹೇಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಹ ಅದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದೊಂದು ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐಕಾನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 3D ವ್ಯೂ. ಹಾಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಅದು ಆಗ್ಮೆಂಟೆಡ್ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮೀಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಆ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೈನಂದಿನ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ. ನೀವು ಸಹ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಐಕಾನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವಿದನ್ನ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಸಹ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನ
Yeah. So Shivaprasad, you have to unmute yourself. Now you can ask any doubts.
ಇದು ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ.
ಹಾ,
ಈಗೇನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕೇರಳ ಮೇಡಮ್ ತೋರಿಸಿರಲ್ಲ, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೋರಿಸಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಹೇಗೆ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಬರೋ ಹಾಗೆ,
ಅದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸುಲಭ. ಅದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಕೇರಳ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಆ್ಯಪ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. I will call you probably after this session. Then I will show you. It's very easy. ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡ್ತೆನ ಅವ್ರು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ಥರ ನೀವು ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ಆನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ನೆಲ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಫ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆನ್ ದ AR ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, then immediately whatever animal you had chosen, it will come up. Okay, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಸುಲಭ, ನೀವೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹಾಂ, ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಲ್ಫಿನೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಹೈಂಡ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಎರಡೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಇದು ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ, ಸೆಲ್ಫಿನಲ್ಲೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದ್ದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದೇ ಅದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾನೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಹಿಂದಿಂದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ನಂದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಇದೆ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನೋಡಿ. ನಾನು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಭಾಳ ಸುಲಭ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ.
ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಂ, ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನಾವು ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎನಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್? Kausar, you have to unmute if you want to speak. I have muted everybody.
Assembler not supported to phone, sir.
Then you might have to upgrade the operating system of your mobile phone, madam.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, if you let me know what is the version of your Android OS, I can help you with that.
Redmi, sir.
Yeah, Redmi is the mobile, but you have to tell me what version of the. Anyway, I will send you how to find out the version of the Android operating system on your mobile. I will WhatsApp
Okay,
you.
sir.
So
Okay,
you
sir.
can find out the version and tell me. Or if you just tell me the Redmi, which model, I can also find out from the internet and tell you. So
Okay,
it
sir.
needs, the latest, one of the later version of the Android OS.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, probably tomorrow again we can touch base and I will help you how to do that.
Okay, sir.
And or
Thanks.
we can try out some other app which will work on your because there are hundreds of augmented reality apps which is available on the Play Store. One of them definitely will work because
Okay, sir.
this assembler app is very sophisticated and it is used even by the architects.
Okay.
It is not just for the school. For school usage, a lot of simpler apps are there.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Jenny, have you tried augmented reality or video creation?
Not yet, sir. Not yet.
Yeah. Please try and let us know.
Yes, sir.
Shivama, have you tried? You try ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Shivamani, Shivani MK.
No, sir.
ನೀವು ಶಶಿಕಲಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಶಿವಮ್ಮ.
ಶಿವಮ್ಮ. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಮೇಡಮ್. ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮಷ್ಟೇ 24 ಗಂಟೆನೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ನೋಡಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
Anybody else has any doubts so far? Now I will move into any doubts about PowerPoint. Now you can ask any question on how to create video on PowerPoint. Let me go back to the agenda. How to create using mobile phone we just saw. Then using PowerPoint is much more easier than mobile. They have made it very easy. Any question? Those who are using PowerPoint and laptop, do you have any question on how to create the video? Only restriction is you need at least PowerPoint or Office 2010 onwards, because 2007 Office 2007 will not allow you to export the PowerPoint into video, whereas 2010 onwards they gave that feature. So you can directly export the PowerPoint into video. Otherwise, even earlier version of the PowerPoint, there are a lot of other open source software available like Cam Studio. If anybody is interested, I can send you the instruction, and one of our volunteers, I will help you to mentor. So we will help you to set up the Cam Studio, which is again open source and it's free. You can do screen capture, and you can also add your voice narration like how Geeta madam has added in her video. So you can actually teach as if you are teaching in the regular classroom and record both your voice as well as your text and the video. Okay. Any questions? Shiv Prasad, do you have any question on PowerPoint, how to create the video? Yeah, Geeta, do you have any question?
Sir, actually, by taking someone's help by using that assembler app itself, we can create videos, sir.
Yeah.
Same like how that Kerala teacher has done, the same way we can do it, sir.
Sure.
But only we need, before that, we have to explain those who is taking the video for them, where that animal or object has to come and when to show it. Little conversation and is needed and can create well, sir.
Wonderful. Yeah, if you can do a sample like similar to what Kerala madam has done, then it will help, because since
I'll try and send, sir.
Sure. Thank you. Have you tried creating video in PowerPoint?
Yes, sir. Kannada video with the PowerPoint. Today I have done it.
Wonderful. How did you
Came
manage
out very
Kannada?
well.
Kannada, can you tell them? Because teachers will not know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can.
No, it came out well, sir. Actually, instead of converting to PDF and taking to mobile and making video,
Hmm.
this is really directly I can do the video
Hmm.
with comfortable. Thank you, sir, for this.
No, can you tell others how did you manage the Kannada fonts? Because Nudi earlier you had challenges to when you move it to mobile, it was not showing properly. How did you manage that?
For when I'm doing it in a laptop itself, I can use only that Nudi itself. Nudi and Nudi 4 and Nudi 5 I can use softwares. But when I'm doing it in the mobile, sir, I have another shortcut now. I can open the PowerPoint presentation, and instead of typing, sir, if I dictate, first I want to choose the language. Then if I dictate in Kannada itself, it takes.
Oh, wonderful. Which app is that?
Without app, sir, just PowerPoint presentation itself in the mobile.
No, I know. But how did it? How will it get Kannada? Because it needs PowerPoint doesn't know Kannada, no?
But I have an app that PowerPoint presentation itself. In that, when I open the presentation slide, I choose the language first. Instead of typing in my mobile.
Wonderful. Microsoft itself has provided that Kannada, is it?
Yes, sir. In my mobile, it is there. So when I choose the language Kannada, then it takes, when I dictate, it takes.
Wonderful. Can you just take a screenshot and share on WhatsApp?
No, now, sir?
Not now. Yeah, if you can do it now, that's also good. While I am explaining something others, so that we can also share with others. No? Because I didn't know that mobile is so easy to create Kannada in PowerPoint.
Even we can dictate. We can dictate also. Kannada also it very well it goes, sir.
Oh, very good. Yeah, please take a screenshot and send it to me so that I will share with others.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, this is very useful actually. Even we are also planning to create a lot of Kannada audio and video. Thanks to our Sharma sir, he is creating a lot of science podcasts in Kannada, which we would like to enable it. So this will be very helpful. Yeah, please send it. Okay. So anybody else has any other question before I move on? Okay. Now let me go to the next item which we covered, busting the fake news. You keep getting a lot of news, basically forwarded messages on your mobile, on your WhatsApp. How do you basically identify whether it is a genuine or a fake? Can one of you tell me? We covered this in 2 sessions. I just want to ensure, because this hampers our productivity quite often, because we lose the trust on the WhatsApp group if more and more people keep forwarding this WhatsApp, whatever they get it. Can one of you tell me how do you identify whether it is a genuine or a fake news?
When we Google for the fake news, it automatically comes lock comes. If the lock does not come, it shows fake news.
Yeah, that is
it
one
will
way.
Be fake news.
Yeah. Let me just share what you are meaning so that everybody understands. Thanks for remembering that. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now let me just search for. So let me just get you this. Okay, one message call like this it came. Kausar, you are able to see my screen, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now the message looks like this. Dear friends, if you come across any bright students coming from poor financial background who have finished 10th standard this year, scored more than 80, please ask them to contact the NGO Prerana. So this even I also keep getting once in a while. Okay, and some of the teachers with good intention, they will forward me, or some of them, my friends who knows I am in Infosys, they forward it to me to confirm whether it is genuine or fake. Okay, so you need not have to basically depend on anybody else. You just do Google, you will find out. Okay, look at this. This Quint.com is telling clearly the viral message currently being shared is false. NGO Prerna is not being supported by Infosys Foundation presently. Thus, there is no way that they can assist the student with financial issues. So, this is fake news. Look at it. All this looks as if it is genuine phone number, it looks genuine name, etc. So, I also suggest don't try to call these numbers. These can be fake. Again, it might be circulated with the malicious intention of collecting your phone numbers. So, do not try and call these numbers if you are not sure if it is genuine. Okay, this is one way. You just do Google, and as Kausar mentioned, this lock symbol here on the left side, this lock says it is a secure connection. This in technical terms it's called a HTTPS, because if you just double click here, you can see it comes as HTTPS. Yes means it is secure. If you just see HTTP, then it is not secure. So do not click the sites which are starting with HTTP. They are not secure. Okay, so a lot of virus or some malicious program might be running in that site. Even if you just access, it will get installed on your laptop or your mobile. Okay, so this is the easy way for any of you, or you can just check with some of your friends or relatives whom you regard they are better informed than you. I am sure each one of you will have a well connected person who might take a guess, and usually whenever such for example large enterprises send any message, they don't do any spelling mistakes because it will be reviewed through multiple people. So if you see any spelling mistakes, that is also a fake news. Okay, and if it is inconsistent, so anyway, first stop for you is just to Google it, and you will figure out whether somebody would have already shared their views if it is genuine or false. So there are a lot of sites in the world on internet, fake news buster, basically, yeah. If you just do Google for that, you will get it. So before you forward your WhatsApp message or Facebook message or email which you get, so think twice, because if you are not sure, then don't forward it. If you are sure because one of your close friend was involved directly, then of course that's your wish to forward it to benefit more people. So that's in short, quickly. If you need any further details, I can share more details. Let me not bore you or overwhelm you right now. Let me move on. Then we also covered about uploading to YouTube. Any questions are uploading to YouTube? Whatever videos you create, either your mobile or on your PPT, it is possible to upload to the YouTube. So is there any question on how to upload to the YouTube? Anybody?
Sir, how do you upload PowerPoint presentations into YouTube, sir?
You can YouTube is meant only for video, Diti. So first you have to convert PowerPoint presentation into video, and then you can upload the video.
Okay, sir.
So just since you asked that question, let me show you how easy to make a video out of the current version of the PowerPoint. Let me just open that.
Okay. Actually, I'm using a Mac, and then I don't have PowerPoint, but in my mom's phone there's PowerPoint, so I asked you.
I am also using Mac, Diti. Now for this session, whatever you are seeing is my Mac.
Yes.
Now let me just open this. So I have Office 365 on my laptop.
Yes.
So here are the various features they have given. Let me just quickly show you. There's one interesting feature where you can even include 3D models. Let me just add.
Oh. I didn't know.
Yeah, let me just show you. I will call this as 3D model. So insert
Okay.
3D models. Are there more children in your home, Diti? I hear a lot of voice behind.
Yes, uncle. There are many relatives at my house who has come to stay for 2 weeks. I am upstairs in my room, but my small brother came and distracted me.
No problem. Yeah. Now you are seeing my screen, right? What do you want me to include?
A burger.
Look at this. The burger is rotating, right?
Yes.
Cool, no? It's moving. It's like a video.
Yeah.
This is PowerPoint.
Oh. I didn't know this.
Okay, now I can convert this into video as well. For example, all I have to do is just click on File. Duty for a while.
Yes.
Yeah. Mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, when I ask you to unmute, you can unmute. Let me just finish the explanation. So just click on File and Export. When you go to the export, it will ask you what you want to do. You are seeing MP4 or MOV. Both are videos. You choose MP4 because it plays in all platforms, whether it's mobile or internet or YouTube. So it is asking you what quality you want. Presentation quality will make it very big. So usually internet quality is medium, low quality if you are using only on mobile. So if you are uploading on YouTube, use internet quality and click export. So entire PowerPoint including this burger will become a video. So easy, right? Diti, you can unmute now.
Yes.
Okay.
I understood. I tried to do it on my laptop.
Sure. Yeah, you can ask your mom how to install PowerPoint on your Mac. You can do it.
Yes.
Look at this. Now a dinosaur is also started walking.
I tried to install my PowerPoint in my Mac, but it didn't really come, and I don't know what happened. The app didn't open on me, so I deleted the app.
No problem. Anyway, your mom will help you. It is a paid app, so you have to give a small
Just ask
fee.
my mom.
Sure. Okay, you can mute your phone now. You can mute your phone now. Thanks.
And sir, I have done another game, and after you're done with the call or the session, I'll show it to you.
Sure. Thank you. Yeah, you can mute your phone now. Yeah, this is about PowerPoint. Any teachers, do you have any question on how to use PowerPoint or how to make a video? Shiv Prasad?
Yes, sir.
ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಜೆಸ್ಟಿವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್, ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರದ್ದು 3D ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ವೇರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
When you request your headmaster or a BO, because you tell them I can share some of the videos, so you can show it to them on your mobile, how useful it is and better. So if not now, at least 6 months or 1 year later, if you can get access, it will add a lot of value.
ನಾನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಸ್ವಂತ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ಸರ್ ನಾನು.
ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Sure. Yeah, it will definitely help both you and your children as well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, now let's move on. The next item in the agenda. So, I had shown the Scratch app. Let me just quickly show you on Scratch. How is it? Okay. So last week we just created one sample. Let me just show you one complex one. Then we will come.
Battery 60%.
So, Geeta madam, you can see my screen, right?
Yes, I can see this.
Yeah. Now,
Scratch is here.
yeah, this is Scratch. Thanks. So now, okay. Now see this. This is pencil sketch written by hand, and see how this will move. So these are some 10 pencil sketches written in 10 sheets and scanned in a mobile phone and uploaded onto Scratch. So this is slow motion. Now I will make it run. Yeah, Shiv Prasad, any question on this?
ಸರ್ ಹಲೋ.
ಹೇಳಿ.
ಬಹಳ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಅದು ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು.
ನೋಡಿ, ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕೈಲೇ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, 3ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಕೈಲೇ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಬಹಳ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬಹಳ ಸುಲಭ ಇದು. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇದು ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು, ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಕ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಬೇಡ, ಬರೀ ಇಷ್ಟೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎವರ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎವರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೂಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ರೀ. So ಆಮೇಲೆ, so this we need to hear. When this green flag is clicked, what action it has to do? Means it has to keep doing repeatedly until I stop by pressing the red button. Now when I say next costume, look at it, how many pictures I have uploaded. Cat 0, cat 1, cat 2, cat 3, cat 4, cat 5, cat 6 and 7, cat 8, cat 9, cat 10, cat 11, cat 12. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರು ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್. ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್. ನಾವು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಮೈ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬಟನ್. ಒಂದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇ ಇದನ್ನ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. If I click this fast button, it will go fast. If I click slow, it will go slowly.
Okay.
So now I will show you the code. So when you say next costume, if I remove this next costume, see what happens. I keep everything. Only next costume I have removed. Now you see it won't even move. 1 second. So now it won't even move. So once I put this inside, it will start running. If I remove this weight, it will run very fast. So this weight is actually either when I click these buttons, I'm either reducing the speed or means I'm just increasing the wait time here. That's it. Okay. So if any of you would like, anyway, I have recorded this session. I will share the recording, Shiva Prasad, so that you can also learn how to do it. Good part is this works both on your laptop and your mobile. For your mobile, you have to just download this app called Scratch Junior. Let me just show you where is that. Let me just Scratch Junior app. Okay. So in Google Play also you will see it. Yeah, this is the app. Shiv Prasad, are you able to see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, this you can download from the Play Store, and you can create the animations which I shared just now. Or I can share the link and you can directly play whatever I have demonstrated. Then you can start creating your own. And encourage your children, your students also. If they have smartphone, they can install. This is all free. They can just install and they can start playing that. Okay. So we have seen even third standard students are able to play this. Even Kannada medium. We have tried in Kodihalli, Hunasannahalli. A lot of hippocampus schools. We have trained them and they are using it now. And we have tried in a lot of government schools, including Bettadasanapura. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಯಚೂರಿಗೂ ಬಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ರಾಯಚೂರು, ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಮಹೇಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಸುಲಭ ಕಲೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ.
Right, sir. I will try, sir.
Yeah. Look at the advantage. Now let me show you ಕನ್ನಡದ ವ್ಯಾಕರಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್
Battery 60%.
ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದು ತಪ್ಪ ಸರಿನಾ, ತತ್ಪುರುಷ ಸಮಾಸನ, ಸವರ್ಣ ದೀರ್ಘ ಸಂಧಿನ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಇದ್ರ ಕಾರ್ಟೂನ್ ಮೂಲಕನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇದು ನೀವು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಲೈವ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದು ವಿದ್ಯಾಗಮ ಸೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ತೊಗೋತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಆವಾಗ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಅವ್ರ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಅದು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
Sir, very interesting, sir.
ಹಾಂ ನೋಡಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೂಡ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Right, sir. Right.
ಸೊ PPT ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಚಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕನ್ನಡ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಉರ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಹಿಂದಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ತಮಿಳ್, ತೆಲುಗು, ಇಟ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್. ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲೋಸ್ ಯು ಟು create. For example, Kausar madam has created geography video in Urdu. Let's see this.
Battery 60%.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों, आज समाजी साइंस के मुताबिक हम जानकारी हासिल करेंगे। इन्हें सबसे पहले हमें ज़मीन के बारे में मालूमात हासिल करना ज़रूरी है। समाजी साइंस हमारे ज़मीन के बारे में मालूमात हासिल करने से ही शुरू होती है। तो हमारी ज़मीन नारंगी की तरह गोल है। कैसे है? नारंगी की तरह गोल है। हमारे ज़मीन में 70 पर 8% पानी है।
ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ರಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿದೆಯಾ ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ? Okay. Then some of you asked me how to use the whiteboarding feature. Shiv Prasad, ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ನನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್, ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮೊಬೈಲಿಂದ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮಿರರಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಷನ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಚಿತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೂ ಟಚ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇದು ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೀ ಆ್ಯಪ್ಗಳಿದೆ. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ನಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಲಕ್ಸಿ ನೋಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ಮಿರರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ವೈಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ.
ಸರ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಆಪ್?
ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಆ್ಯಪ್. ಇದು ಗ್ಯಾಲಕ್ಸಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇನ್ನು ತುಂಬ ಆ್ಯಪ್ಗಳಿದೆ. ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾಗಲಿ, ಚಿತ್ರ ಬರೆಯೋದಾಗಲಿ, ತುಂಬ ಫ್ರೀ ಆ್ಯಪ್ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾಳೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ವೈಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ನ ಏನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ.
Then just to tell you some of the new inventions on augmented reality. Look at it, how powerful this can get. Anyway, this is not yet available. Mostly next year in the ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು.
Battery 60%.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಸರ್.
Very interesting, sir.
Yeah. So hopefully it will become affordable. It will come into the market next year. But anyway, future students, this is how they will be learning. It might not be accessible to everybody to begin with, but hopefully over a period the cost will come down. How the cost of computer has come down drastically, right? When the first Yuri Gagarin and Neil Armstrong went to the moon, the computer which was fitted in the rocket, okay, that's the mobile phone which we have today is much more powerful than that computer. Now you can see how far the technology has advanced. So now we are having a computer in our mobile phone which is as powerful as the one which took the man to the moon. Okay, so all these technologies will very soon it will keep advancing and it will become affordable. So either individual students can afford, or it might be made basically in a group, or schools might be having, so that it will be a shared. And however, students will be able to access wherever they are in the world, okay, on par with anybody else across the globe. Okay. Thankfully, a lot of animations are already available. I'm not sure how many of you are using FET animation. Let me just go there. So, anybody is using this FET in your online classes? Shiv Prasad?
No, sir. Now we are not using, sir.
Use
Because
ಮಾಡಿ.
we don't.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲೂ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಮೊಬೈಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ.
ನಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಆದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ನಾನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಈಗ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಫೋನ್ ಇದೆಯೋ
ಸರ್
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ಸಾಕು.
ನಾನು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ನನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಆಗಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ತೋರಿಸಿ, ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೂ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಅವಾಗ
ಸರ್ ಅದೇ
ಆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ, ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಸ್, ಇದು ಝೀರೋ ಗ್ರಾವಿಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಎ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಎ ಮದರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್, then we can release it. And how to balance with this mother's weight with the child's weight. Look at it, suddenly the child has become heavy and now it will be balanced. So ಇದರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಗೀರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡೋದು. ರೂಲರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, 60 kg ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡಿ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋ ಬದಲು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವರೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಂಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರನ್ನ ಕೂರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಅವರೇ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ then what next? So we have revised whatever we had covered in the last session. So I hope all of you have come up to the speed, and I assume there are no more questions, so that in the next session onwards we will not revisit this. If you have any questions, you can directly post it in the WhatsApp group, either with me or any of the volunteers. We will respond quickly. Okay, so if you don't have any other question, I will move on to Audacity. The sound, how to deal with sound, how to edit sound. Is that okay?
You can, sir.
Sure. Now let me open Audacity. Have you downloaded Audacity on your laptop, Shiv Prasad?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me open one audio file, or I can even record the current from the microphone. Let me try how it works. Today I am demonstrating how to use Audacity. Now it recorded. Now let me just play back.
Battery 60%.
Today I am demonstrating how to use Audacity. So look at it. As simple as that. Is it not, Shiv Prasad?
Sir.
So, okay, now I want to edit something. For example, I didn't want this delay. Just select that. And if you hit delete, it will go away. As simple as that. It is like cutting a paper. Okay, now let me get one professionally or one serious audio podcast done by our mentor, Mr. Sharmaji. Let me just open that. I have the MP3 file already downloaded. He sends it every day on the WhatsApp. I downloaded from the WhatsApp. Okay, here are the audio files. I will just open one of them. Okay, so this is the audio file. You are seeing 2 tracks because it is recorded in stereo. So if you record only one channel, then it will play only in one speaker of the computer, or if you have 2 speakers. So it's called mono. since they have recorded in stereo, you are seeing two tracks. Both are exactly the same. The content is not different. Now let me just play this so that you know what is the content.
Battery 60%.
ಇದು ಜಾಣ ಸುದ್ದಿ, ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ, ವಿಚಾರ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಸ್ಮಯಗಳ ಧ್ವನಿ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆ. ದಿನದಿನವೂ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ.
ಸಂಪುಟ 3, ಸಂಚಿಕೆ 330, ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 17, 2020. ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಸ್ವಾರಸ್ಯ.
So why they have mixed some tabla or some string instrument in between? Any idea?
For focusing the headlines.
Yeah, that's true. So now you can reuse the music which they have used with their permission. If they first, it's courtesy to check with them instead of just reusing without asking them. Let me just go there and show you from.
ಇದು ಜಾಣ ಸುದ್ದಿ.
So up to this, from here to here, it is the initial tabla. Now you want to use this, you can just press Ctrl C, and you can create one more track. Let me just add track, add new track, stereo track. Okay, now I got the new track here. So wherever it is, now I press Ctrl V. See, I got only tabla here. So for example, now let me mute this so that you know what I mean. Let's see if I can mute it. Or let me delete it for now. Okay, now this has only tabla. Let me just play this.
Battery 60%.
So it is stopping here. Now I will record it here, my voice. I am recording my voice now after tabla. Okay, now let me take this piece and put it back after tabla. Now let me play this. It will play continuously as if I have recorded in one go.
Battery 60%.
I am recording my voice now after tabla. So it's very easy, right, Shubh sir?
Yes, sir.
So that's all it's required. Whatever music you want, you can either first until you are comfortable, you can do whatever Sharmaji has done. So you can take all the music if you feel it adds value. Otherwise, don't unnecessarily add music because it might distract if it is not pleasant or if it is totally loud, etc. So Audacity will help you to reduce the volume, etc. for the music. And you can also have it as a separate track. For example, now I will also have this in the second track. Mono track. So let me see, it is stopping because I am trying to copy a stereo track onto a mono track. Let me just let me add a stereo track. Okay, now I will copy. You saw there is tabla here, my voice here, then tabla again. Now let me play it together. What will happen? Now I am playing both the tracks together.
Battery 60%.
This is just to tell you how we can mix music or voice from multiple tracks, like in a studio. Now look at it. This all you are doing in a open source, which is a free and licensed, fully legal and ethical way. I am recording my voice now after tabla. So that's all is required for simple audio podcast creation. Anyway, only by experience you will get to know how to ensure there is no, the experience is smooth. So any questions till now?
No, sir, we will try, sir.
Okay. So yeah, unless you try, you will not learn. So please try that and let me know if you have any questions. Let me see what next we have. So dot wave, yeah, the Audacity when you are saving, when you export, so it's asking you export as MP3 or wave. Okay, don't worry about other formats for now. Wave is uncompressed. The size will become heavy, but you will not reduce any quality. Whereas MP3, it is compressed. So it will take remove all the smaller frequency, where the drums or the bass in our voice, that will get reduced. So it will bring down the size of the audio file drastically. And since most of it is just a commentary, MP3 should be good enough. So you can export it as MP3 and size also will be small. And most of the applications now support. So this will help you. Okay, so this is about MP3 and Wave. Wave is the original uncompressed audio format. MP3 is the compressed audio format. Okay, so let me stop here and take any questions. Otherwise, covering too many topics in one session might be overwhelming. Any questions?
Sir, I will have to leave today's session because it's 9 o'clock and I have to have my dinner.
Sure.
I wanted to actually show you my game. If you're okay now, I'll just show and I'll leave the
Sure,
call.
sure. Quickly, yeah, share your screen and show it to us.
Yes, sir. Can you see it?
It is coming up. Yes, we can see it.
1 second. So this is the game which I
teachers,
created.
Dyuti is in 5th standard, by the way. Dyuti, you are in which school?
Baldwin Girls High School.
Baldwin Girls High School, Bangalore.
Okay. So this is an video sensing game.
Okay.
I just started. So it comes like this. I have to see inside, and then this is the code for the balloon. I have to press this green button. And see, I have to just move my hand across the balloons for it to get popped. So I have to press the keyboard in this hand. And I have to move my hand through the balloons in my right.
Okay.
So
Wonderful.
I tried.
It looks like as if you are doing a magic.
Yeah.
Very nice. You can do a magic in the virtual world now.
Yeah.
Right? It's not original balloon. Even then, you are able to pop on the computer.
Yeah.
Very nice. Excellent.
Oh, this is the thing, and this is the code which I did.
Uh-huh.
And to see this when video motion. Okay, how I got this block is when I went to Scratch, there was a block button here. See here,
Yeah.
this one. I pressed on that and it came like this: music, pen, video sensation, text and speech, and all these options are here. So I choose in video sensing.
Very good.
And there is another block or the code which is called as a video sensing. Then I use the blocks to code I actually tried to do a cat, but I couldn't do it. So I thought balloon would be easier and I did it.
Wonderful. Yeah, just hold on. Let's see if the teachers have any question. Hang on there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, teachers, do you have any question for Diti? She has done a wonderful job. Geeta, madam?
Yes, sir. Very nice to see, sir.
Yeah. So it will be very engaging, and if the students themselves can do it, so we can guide them, and they will be able to do this, and we can also show them how to connect this with our physics or chemistry, etc.
And actually, this was an accident. I actually didn't know what this was for. I thought I'll just explore some, and then I clicked it when I saw all the options. And I just called my sister, my akka Hasmita, and asked her about this. She told this is for this, and I tried to do some, and finally I came with the idea I can also do a balloon.
Wonderful.
So I had already done a clicker game. So it was not difficult for me.
Wonderful. Yeah, good job. Okay. Thanks for showing it to us. Excellent. Okay, now you can go and have your dinner.
I'm trying to do one game each day.
Wonderful.
So it doesn't make me forget things.
Excellent. Okay, thank you and good night, and see you tomorrow.
Excellent. Good job.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Good night.
I'll just leave.
Yeah.
I'll
Thank
have
you.
to leave.
Yeah.
Dinner.
Yeah, teachers.
See you tomorrow, sir.
Yeah, see you tomorrow at 11 o'clock. Yeah, teachers, do you have any questions for today on the topics which we covered till now?
No, sir.
Okay. Yeah, good that at least those of you who have joined today, I'm sure you will take your online sessions to the next level by using all these tips which you have learned. And if you still have any questions, do reach out to us. One of us will ensure we will help you out. So I think Kausar, I will call you tomorrow to basically to help you with that assembler app.
Okay, sir.
So any other questions?
No, sir. No.
Okay, if you don't have any questions, tomorrow at 11 o'clock we are taking session to the children where the children are coming to learn Python programming as well as Scratch, as how you saw Dhyuti. Yeah, Dhyuti is actually the regular student in our 11 o'clock sessions on Sundays. So today she was excited that since she has created that magic animation, so she has come here to show it to me. So that's good to see the enthusiasm in these young children. When you give them encouragement at such an young age, they can do wonders when they grow up. So we have to just guide them in right direction so that they won't end up spending time in playing games, etc. So all it required is right guidance at the right time, so that they can convert their skills into the real life experiments. For example, using Jyoti, we can make her do physics experiments with the same skills, chemistry experiments, mathematics. Everything is possible on Scratch. It is only our imagination is the limit. Technology is available and it's free and it is available throughout the world on internet. Now, whatever, look at it, whatever Jyoti is showing, anybody even in America can log on to the same session and see it. So, Sayanam, who is there today in the call, he is actually has implemented in all the schools. He is running multiple schools. All his children are using Scratch now, and they are once in a while they are also connecting with children in America on through like this Skype or Google Meet. So it's exciting and good exposure both to the children across the globe and even our own children, so that they will feel good that they are learning the latest technology and they have freedom to express their creativity either through animations, pictures, painting, voice, and music. So only your imagination is the limit. It is not the money or it is not the cost, it is not technology. Everything is thankfully affordable and we can figure out how to do this either on whatever mobile they have or laptop they have. It doesn't matter what operating system they use, Windows or Linux. It is possible. Most of the things are available on all the popular platforms. So thanks a lot, and we are on the dot 9 o'clock, and we will close the session here. Thank you and good night.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, Karan.
Thanks.
I think the whole repetition. I think it was good review, and I think it will help the people who joined newly today.
Yeah.
Now I think all these are available for people, right? And you uploaded them.
Yeah. All we are uploading. We have a Samarpan YouTube channel where we are uploading all these sessions.
I think we have repeated them sufficiently enough. I think then people can use that YouTube videos to learn.
True. That's the objective. Unless everybody gets it, no point going to the next level. It's the same challenge which we have in the schools now. If they don't understand in middle school, no point sending them to high school and confusing them further. We have to ensure their foundation is good. Then only, even if they take one more year, it doesn't matter because life is too long, right? So they can learn and they can be confident.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Shivaprasad. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night. Good night, everyone.
Yeah. Good night, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.